But don't hit the fence. Let's go that way.
Fantastically different team. At least they're doing something different.
Take this piece off. Nikal baar.
They're into 2 minutes and about 15 seconds.
डाल. इसको वापस से फोल्ड कर. इसको फिट करने की कोशिश कर. No, this is the same. Just put it the other way around. Just try to fit this one in here. Because all the pieces have to come in. You cannot omit the piece, no? That's
No, you cannot omit a piece, and you're into 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Now you put this here, this way. पूरा करो उठाओ.
Okay, you're down to 30 seconds.
Come on, do it. रख वहीं पे रख नीचे रख.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please stop.
You maintained our dignity by getting a 0.
6 teams for the Mindbender. 6 zeros for the 6 teams. And it did seem a lot complicated. We saw a lot of cubes being dropped, sat on, moved about. And we did say it's possible. And Shahid almost got it. So I'm going to get Shahid to come out.
Yeah.
He didn't get it the right way. It's a much simpler way. I actually kind of also heard some of the contestants, they figured it out. You move these two to that side. Come on. No, the other way. Move this there.
That goes there.
Pick this up. And you move it here. No, this way. No? And voila, we have a cube. This is why we call it a mind bender. Otherwise, we'd call it a physical bender. And we also have a surprise for you. We are giving you Reliance SIM cards. With this, you can happily call home, call in case your SUV breaks down. We also have to tell you that you will be given vital clues via these. So safeguard these, don't ruin these. Alrighty, there we go. One for each. Okay, with this, it's time now to move to task 2, which is called Raiders of the Lost Map. All the best, guys. आज का माइंड बेंडर थोड़ा ज्यादा ही मुश्किल था. All the teams were clueless on how to crack it. As a result, Hawks 1, Bobby and Prateek were the first ones to drive off to the next destination. Even before the off-roading began, we had a situation. Will Ajay survive this accident? Or is it the end of the road for him? इन सवालों का जवाब इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद. While Siddharth and Ajayveer's mind had gone for a spin, the car soon followed.
When I heard that the car stopped, I saw Siddharth coming back, and this guy.
I was like, what is Sid doing here?
Damn it! I had, and it's like I almost lost a beat.
The accelerator wire got stuck here. It never came back.
Ajay misjudged the terrain, but thankfully there was no serious damage to the team or their car.
The only thing that was running in my mind is that if the car toppled off the cliff. But luckily it was in a spot like this and nothing happened to Gil. As soon as we came close to the car, we saw Gil walking and he was absolutely fine.
Winch guy, तेरे पास? Let's put some manpower, yeah.
I want as many people as you, to come in the front and push it this side from the top. So just push it so it will fall back on its 4 wheels and then we are out of here.
And Prithvi, go slow, huh? 4 डाल ले, low डाल ले. I'm happy we just turned around in time. I'm a little concerned about the accelerator. I'm just gonna look on that and probably everything is okay and we're gonna just carry on.
अजय की तो दाद देनी चाहिए. ऐसे एक्सीडेंट के बाद भी he was all smiles.
The Mindbender proved to be a little tricky even for the Hawks, but अभी भी उनके पास वक्त है सुधरने का with Raiders of the Lost Map. And although I would love to watch them compete, I think I'll just go for a good drive.
As I made my way to the Raiders of the Lost Map, the Hawks were having the time of their life driving around Lavasa. Off-roading का मजा ही कुछ और है, especially when you take these roads less traveled. Less than 100 kilometers from the vibrant city of Pune, here we were flirting with danger on terrains where only a few dare to go. And some of India's best off-roaders were doing what they do best. While Ajay was lucky to survive his mishap, we were in for a wild day. It was time for Shahid's car to face the music.
Basically, my clutch plate is gone. We got on the right route and we're supposed to clear this obstacle and go to the mini dare.
It's a mechanical fault. It's not a physical or a mental fault, so we can't be blamed. And the car is immovable right now.
It's just the first day and we had this one wrong turn and my clutch plate is gone, so let's see.
As Hawks 5, Shahid and Sunny were busy trying to fix up their car, Hawks 2, Alan and Smitha reached the destination. In this round, the participants will get a Simply Reliance clue on their phones. After they crack this clue, they follow the trail, जहां इन्हें मिलेगा दूसरा clue.
Get it, for the flag and off your car.
Here. I found something.
Climb against the great wall. Watch out for. Oh, we might fall. Pick up the flags, fly them high, get them all in. Hold your head high. Fine.
आप लोग काफ़ी सुनसान रास्ते ऑफ रोडिंग और अकेलेपन से गुजरते हुए यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं बट वी हियर द रिलायंस नेटवर्क kept you connected through all of this. Exactly. That's good to hear. And now we're ready for round 2, which is called Raiders of the Lost Map. Raiders of the Lost Map is all about cracking certain clues to get the map that's going to lead you to your next destination. आप लोगों के हाथ में ऐसे clues दिए गए हैं. You've also been explained what needs to be done. Now what's going to happen is 2 teams at the same time will start climbing up to get the clues. Out of each team, 1 climbs, 1 belays. आप लोग पहले 2 teams हैं. So between the 2 of you, who's going first?
Me.
You're climbing, you're belay. Yeah. And between the 2 of you?
I'm climbing.
All right, enjoy yourself and we're going to watch you. The objective of the game is to collect 6 flags, where one person climbs this rock face and the other controls the rate of his climb using a rope. इस राउंड में जो टीम सबसे पहले सारे फ्लैग्स कलेक्ट करेगी उन्हें मिलेंगे 60 पॉइंट्स. सेकंड आने वाले टीम को मिलेंगे 50 पॉइंट्स एंड सो ऑन. और इस राउंड को कंप्लीट करने के लिए इनके पास है 10 मिनट्स.
Okay folks, 3, 2, 1, go. Good, come on. Easy. One more way.
और ऊपर है.
Very good.
Go higher.
One more after this, come on.
Other flag. A little faster.
I think you need to understand technique, and since I got it, so I utilized all my energy and I climbed as fast as I could.
First pull I had, I just scraped my finger. That was a bit of a problem, and later on it became a problem. It was all good.
I can rely on this guy, he's the buddy.
We are a team, man. It's okay.
I mean, yes, definitely. I always wanted him as a driver, and it's a coincidence, and I'm very lucky and happy that I'm his co-driver today. I don't know how he feels about me.
The hunt is over, well done, but the return has just begun. Reach destination next fast. Get your car or you might be last.